Friends, welcome to Civil Infra Bookmark channel. Hope all are doing well. Today I am coming with new update, that is 12,000 crore Surat Metro project. Before going to the project, let's know about the Surat city. Surat, it was located western part of Gujarat, and it was the second largest city in Gujarat after the Ahmedabad. It was the 8th largest city in India by population. Surat, also called as economic powerhouse of Gujarat. The economy based mainly two industries. Number 1, textile industry, and number 2 was diamond cutting and polishing industry. As per 2011 census data, the Surat population was 44.67 lakh, but it officially reached to 69.36 lakh in 2021. The area containing Surat was 326.515 square kilometer. The population density was 13,680 persons per square kilometer. And Surat was one of the fast growing city in India. It contains 7 zones and 29 wards and 116 councils. Now let's know about the Surat Metro project. On 18 January 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the foundation stone virtually.
और अब आमंत्रित करते हैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को कि आप रिमोट का बटन दबाकर इन शुभ कार्यों का शुभारंभ करवाएं। धन्यवाद माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी आपका, जिनका संकल्प है भारत की तस्वीर बदलकर एक नवयुग, एक नए भारत का निर्माण जो न कभी।
Presently, Government of India has approved phase 1 with a length of 40.35 km. Based on the traffic demand, further it will be extended in further phases. Now let's go into the project features. Starting with the coach dimensions of metro rail: 3.9 meters depth and 2.9 meters width, and the length will be the 21.64 meters or 21.34 meters. And the coach body will be made either by stainless steel or aluminium. Coming to the axle load capacity of coach, the axle load capacity will be the 16 tons. Mainly the train composition will be the 3 cars, 2 DMCs. DMC is nothing but driving motor car, and TC will be the trailer car. Coming to coach carrying capacity, the DMC will be the 247 numbers, including 43 numbers sitting and 204 standing. And similarly, trailing car capacity will be the 270 numbers. The sitting capacity will be 15 numbers, including standing will be the 220 numbers. The gauge involved in this project was standard gauge of a length 1.435 meters. The total capacity of the passengers in 3 coaches will be the 764 numbers, including sitting will be the 136 and standing will be the 628 numbers. Coming to know about train speed, the maximum design speed will be the 90 kmph and maximum operational speed will be the 80 kmph, but the scheduled speed will be the 33 kmph of the entire project. Station dwell time will be the 30 seconds. The dwell time is nothing but the time which required a train stops at a platform for allowing passengers. The phase 1 project will be constructed mainly in 2 corridors. The corridor 1 from Sartana to Dream City with a length of 18.74 kilometers, and corridor 2 will be the Basan to Saroli with a length of 21.61 kilometers. The Corridor 1 constructed via underground with a length of 6.47 km and elevated through 15.14 km, and the Corridor 2 is mainly constructed in elevated portion with a length of 18.74 km. The Corridor 1 contains 20 stations. Will be start at Sartana and going through Nature Park, Chapoti Garden, Swaminarayan Mandir, Kapodra, Lambeswar Chowka, Central Warehouse, Surat Railway Station, Maskati Hospital, Choki Bazar, Kadarsha Neel Nal, Majura Gate 1, Rupali Canal, Altan Dynamite, Altan Gam, VIP Road, and Surat Women Bima Convention Center finally closes at the Dream City. Corridor 2 containing 18 number of stations. The station will be start at Besana and going through the Botanical Garden, Ugat, Palampur Road, LP Savani School, Art Center, Adajan Gam, Aquarium, Padri Narayan Temple, Atava Chopati, Mazura Gate 2, Udana Darwaz, Kamela Darwaz, Aranjan Farm, Model Town, Magoob, Bharat Cancer Hospital, and close at the Saroli. The total train operation is the 19 hours per day. The starting time will be the 5 am of morning and closes at the 12 am is a midnight of the day. This project containing two maintenance depots. One is located at Dream City and another one is Besan City. Thanks for watching my video. I will update in part 2 video which contains technical details of the Surat Metro project. If you are watching first time my channel, please do subscribe and share to all to reach and hit bell icon to get further updates my channel.